Hey everyone. So I'll make a video here which is, I guess you can call it part scrapping, part making more than scrap value. I picked up this PC before that hard drive was there. I didn't have one, so it was pretty much the motherboard, the memory, CPU, and the DVD drive. Picked it up for only $1, so I was thinking of scrapping it. Scrap value would probably be a couple of bucks anyway, nothing too major. But I noticed that there was a half decent computer, like someone who just wants to surf the net and everything should do the job for them. It has about 4 gigs of memory and an Intel Core Duo CPU. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it back together with all the other scrap parts I have and see if I can sell it. So I'll put it together and continue this video, see where it goes. Okay, so I'm just continuing my video. So like I was saying, I was gonna show you guys how to make extra money from your scrap stuff. So like I said, I picked up this PC here. It was complete garbage, like you can say that. I picked it up for free. They gave it to me. It's a half decent computer, perfect for someone who wants to surf the net. Just very basic things. Use Word and Office, and very light things like that. It has a Core 2 Duo processor, 4 gigs of RAM. Works well. I also picked up a bunch of these video cards. One of the video cards doesn't work. With the other one, I can't test because it has a weird a port that I don't have a cable for, so I can't test it. And then I got this guy here, which seems to be working. And because I tested it and I know it's working, I can probably sell it for 10 to 15 bucks instead of scrapping it for gold recovery and everything. So like you can see, the video is working fine. It was just you just had that little loading screen, little loading bubble for Windows. Like you can see, it works great, no issues. All I did was pick up the PC